Hi everyone, welcome back to my class and welcome to my home. This is our studio today, so I tried to fix the living room somehow so we have some space. And today I would like to focus on the placement of our body. So we're gonna go back to some basics and let's start as usual in parallel positions. So let's do some plie. Feel your weight down on the floor and just roll down from the top of your head. Relax your upper body. Free joints, really heavy head, and come back. So we're going to start from right leg. We're going to do demi-point 1 and plie and point and développé. And now we're going to plie and now contraction only in your upper body. So the tail is still down on the floor and come up to demi-point and drop and go back and left 1 and plie and a point, développé, and we go down and contraction and go up, drop, first position, and now we go into demi and demi, and now grand plie down, and now from here we go into a flat back, so we have really straight line 1 and 2, and from here we go swing and come back, plie, 2 seconds, stay, and again demi, left arm now, right arm, and the down and the flat and the drop and go back and the fourth and stay, and now right leg, right arm again, 1 and 2 and the ground and flat back, swing, drop there and round into